Hi, Tony G, hike and seeker. I'm on the Conto's road and today I'm on my way to Hamelin Bay, and that's a 22k walk with about a 6.5 kilometre beach walk at the end. Yeah, it's nice open scenery again. So nice grass trees on the side of the track. As I say, the walk today is about 22 kilometres down to Hamelin Bay, and the last part is about a 6.5 kilometre beach walk. Yeah, you can see how open it is down there. And that's the way we're heading, down that way. We've come from Conto's road down that way. That's Conto's campground going that way. We're dropping down this way. Down towards Point Road campground. Alright, this is Point Road campground. You can see the camp fees box there, the honesty box. Obviously it's nowhere near as big as Conto, but it's a nice little spot. Plenty of trees. Not much grass, as you can see. Bit of a fire pit there. Light fire at night. Logs to sit on over there. Same over that side. More seats there. Another thing for lighting fires there. And as you can see, the time of the year moving into winter, campfires are permitted. Yeah, there's more down through there, there's more tables. Very nice little campground. A bit more of a grassed area through here, and up through those trees over there, which will take it as a given. You've seen it, I've showed it to you before. There's a long drop and water tanks over there. You've got to treat your water, of course. But yeah, that's Point Road campground. Tall carry tree, and they're like a fungal growth on the outside. I don't think it's so popular now, but once upon a time they used to cut it back, try it with a big chainsaw, level the tree, and that became a rustic tabletop. Yeah, very popular. I haven't seen so many of them around now though. Down this way through the forest, there's dappled light coming through. Yes, it's very nice at the moment, beautiful and cool. Come from down that way, And that's Brosey Road. Now I'm going off down this way, making a right turn. And that's Dave's Road. So heading off down this way. Got a nice little hideout if it rains. Yeah. Well, bloody spiders fall on your head when you're in there, I should think. So maybe not. Yeah, it's a beautiful cool day today underneath these trees. Just perfect. Back there when I showed you this road, someone had taken part of the sign. It's not Dave's Road, it's Davy's Road I'm going down at the moment. Not that you think it's a road, of course, it's a track, but it's called Davy's Road anyway, not Dave's Road. Just to clear up a bit of confusion back there. Yeah, I'm not too sure how far I am from the beach. I'm probably a good few K yet till I hit the beach. And as I said earlier on, about a 6.5, 7 kilometre beach walk to round off the day, just in case I haven't had enough exercise. So yeah, keep pressing on. You can see the gum tree there has shed its bark, and that's what it's left with. So obviously that's called a ghost gum. You can see from the white texture of the trunk. I guess at night they could look a bit like ghosts in the forest. Not that I'm coming out here to look, but I'd imagine that's the case. Yeah, this cape to cape track is well maintained, and it's maintained by volunteers. The volunteers have different sections. It's about 130 odd kilometres long. I'm not sure how long each section is for the volunteers, but yeah, as you can see me walking here, if none of these paths were tended to, they need to be cut back. Some of the trail camps, like Point Road, they get wood chopped for hikers, campers. But yeah, so yeah, just a point of interest why the track's so well maintained. It's all done with by volunteers, and that's good on them. It's a pretty special bunch of people that are willing to give their time to maintain the track. Obviously maybe ex-walkers that thought it was a good idea. Maybe that's something I should consider later on. Who knows? Doing some serious climbing upwards at the moment. It's a hard sand. I wouldn't think we're too many K from the beach. Yeah, onwards and upwards. That's the view from Boranup hill. You can see the ocean. First time today in the distance. Boranup hill. Look out. There's this little side spur trail, come up off about 500 metres from the Cape to Cape track. It's quite nice views. Yeah, we're not too far from the ocean now. That's where I've come from down there. The sun's on the camera, you probably can't see it that well. But yeah, that's where we're going, down that way towards the ocean. Going down onto the beach pretty soon. Going round the track down onto the beach. Yeah, 6.5k beach walk now. Yeah, following the forward drive tracks. The sand's pretty firm, which is good. It's not really that much different for the walk that's gone before. Just a little bit softer, but very compact, which is great. I reckon I'm about halfway. Down that point down there is Hamelin Bay. Good 3 more K, I'd say. There it is, the Cape to Cape track, Hamelin Bay. Tiny G, hike and seeker at Hamelin Bay after a 22k, pretty brutal walk, one of the hardest ones I've done on the Cape to Cape track. Yeah, the last 6.5k on the sand. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the scenery on the way. And yeah, if you'd like to subscribe, comments would be great, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, goodbye.